What's up, guys? Welcome back for another reaction video. So I'm checking out another Chubby Brown. All right, so a subscriber asked for me to react to September Still Brilliant, the Chubby Brown, but I type it in and this is what I see come up. So I'm not sure if this is what it is talking. If you're there, comment down below, let me know if this is the one you're talking, because I don't see any other one. So I'll pick this one. All right, this is Mark 15th of September 2023. So I don't know if that's the tag that come up. That's the only thing with September that I see. All right, so I hope it's it. So let's jump into the video, guys. Let's check it out.
So I'm looking at the paper. It said Ed Sheeran is worth £175 million. Goes out on his quad bike on his farm in Devon. Fell off, broke his arm. Tonight's show at the O2 Arena, 18,000 people. Cheapest ticket, 52 fucking quid. He's going to have to cancel. I thought, you dozy ginger twat. It would be fucking funny if I was watching the telly and the phone rang. Chubbs, you couldn't do a gig for Ed Club. Could you imagine me walking on? Down at the club.
Imagine him walking on it.
In the bar I go. Me and the lads getting pissed on shots. We had money to blow. A big fat girl waved. I thought, I'll give it a try. And the man at the jukebox watched her wobble over. She undone my tie. I thought, well, girl, you know I want your love. Your love is handy for someone like me. Come on, swallow my seed. Swallow my seed.
Oh, come on. That was swallow my seed. What's wrong with it? My God. Yeah, now I can imagine you filling in for him, okay? He's hilarious. My God. He's ridiculous.
Grab my waist, grab my crutch. Come on, swallow my seed. Come on, swallow my seed. I'm in love with the shape of you. You push and pull like a wank you do. Have your fat because my face is gone blue. I'm in love with your fanny. Last night you were in my room. Now my bed sheets.
Oh no.
I'm in love with your fanny. Look at your wife now, let's go. I'm in love with your fanny. Just see it. I'm in love with you. She said, fuck the kebab with no straight on.
Oh no!
Where do we begin? To tell you about our first date. We went to a restaurant. All you could eat, you filled a round bag of plate. I thought, oh, does she masturbate? We talked for hours and hours. Where the family were doing okay. Then we jumped in a taxi, the radio's on. This fucking tune started to play. She went, what? I want your love. Love is handy for someone like me. Come on, I'll swallow your seed. Swallow your seed. Oh, she said, you talk too much. Grab my waist, grab my crutch. Come on, swallow my seed. Swallow my seed. I'm in love with the shape of you. You push and pull like a...
Wow. Come on, his version of this song is something else. Come on now, son of my seed. That one took me out. Wow. And then he does singing and dancing and doing that little thing with the mouth. Come on. My God. He's ridiculous. Okay. Like a word to two. What? Smell like poo.
We try positions that we thought we knew. I'm in love with your fan. One more time, just see if it works. Just go like that, other way. I'm in love with your fan.
Hi.
You are. I'm in love with your fan. Couldn't borrow you, bitch.
okay, now listen. It's been on this song. You fucking ginger. After he finished talking about Ed Sheeran, look here, look how I'm sweating now. Like he took me out with that song, guys. Where did he come up with these lyrics? Okay, well, it's Chubby Brown. Come on, what do I expect, right? Okay, that was ridiculous as I expected to be. Very hilarious, guys. I've been popping up over here. All right, I don't know if this is a clip that you actually check out, but this is the one that I see come up and it's hilarious. So I hope you guys enjoy it because I sure did. I catch you in another reaction, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye. Don't forget to leave love, laugh, learn. Bye.